Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna say the life history short story of Rabindranath Tagore and Happy Rabindra Jayanti. So today I'm gonna say the life history of a short, a short story of Rabindranath Tagore. Because today is Rabindra Jayanti, I'm gonna say a short story of him. So are you ready, guys? Of course we are. Let's start. So, Rabindranath Tagore was born in Calcutta, known as Kolkata. He was a Tagore, the rich Tagore family, and his father's name was Devendranath Tagore. His mother's name was Sarada Devi, and he was the fourth child of his parents. He was interested of writing poems. He started writing poems from his 8 years old, and he refused to four schools because he was different from each other, from the other students. Sorry, because my throat is just itching. Sorry for that, but let's begin. So he refused to four schools like this. He go to one school like maybe English medium. He refused that. He go to another school. He refused and came back. So he refused to four schools, and that's why his father made him a little shed area, a little homework area, and let few teachers came, like tutors. A few tutors came and taught him. And then what happened? He started writing poems from his 8 years old. Then he wrote a poem, Abhilash, when he was 13 years old. And the next thing I'm going to say is a little bit interesting, which is his father wanted him to become an advocate. So his father sent him to England, the British land, to study higher studies about an advocate. So without learning that, he just learned about more poems. He learned about maybe he just talked to and met many England writers, poem writers, story writers, and lots of writers and scientists that know writing. And he knew a lot about writing. And when he came back, after 1 year, he came back without studying, and he came back and again starting focusing on doing some poems. The next thing is that he did a Gitanjali. He just wrote a Gitanjali poem, and then he got a Nobel Prize for that. And Gitanjali was a very nice poem. You can also read it if you buy the book. And he got a Nobel Prize. Then what is this? Then he wrote two national anthems, which is Bangladesh and India. Like, if only other national anthem writers only write their own countries. And Rabindranath Tagore wrote two, Indian and yes, Bangladesh. Then he died on 1941. He died on 1941, and the last poem that he wrote was Shishar Kobita. And that's it of my little short story of Rabindranath Tagore. Like, subscribe and hit the bell button, and I hope you see you on my next video. Bye!